10 Best Foods for a Healthy Life After 50. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that affect our nutritional needs. After 50, maintaining good health becomes even more critical, as the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, osteoporosis, and cognitive decline increases. By choosing the right foods, you can not only maintain physical and mental health but also enhance your quality of life as you age. This guide will highlight the 10 best foods for promoting longevity and vitality after 50. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease, which becomes more prevalent with age. Moreover, these fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining brain health, reducing the risk of cognitive decline, and potentially lowering the chances of developing Alzheimer's disease. In addition to omega-3s, fatty fish provides high-quality protein, which helps maintain muscle mass as you age. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to support heart, brain, and joint health. 2. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. They are particularly rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. As people age, the risk of osteoporosis increases, making it crucial to consume foods that promote bone strength and reduce the risk of fractures. Leafy greens are also high in fiber, which supports digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and keeps cholesterol in check. Additionally, the antioxidants in leafy greens help protect the body from oxidative stress, which can contribute to chronic diseases and aging. Including a variety of greens in your daily meals, whether in salads, smoothies, or soups, can provide significant health benefits after 50. 3. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are nutritional powerhouses that provide high levels of antioxidants and vitamins. The antioxidants in berries, particularly anthocyanins, help protect cells from oxidative damage, which can contribute to aging and chronic disease. Blueberries, in particular, have been studied for their positive effects on brain health, memory, and cognitive function, key concerns for older adults. Berries are also a great source of fiber, which supports digestive health and helps manage blood sugar levels. Including a serving of berries in your diet, whether on top of cereal, yogurt, or as a snack, can help keep your body and brain functioning optimally as you age. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. These foods are particularly beneficial for heart health, as they contain unsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels. Walnuts, for example, are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that has been shown to improve brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Nuts and seeds are also good sources of magnesium, which is essential for maintaining muscle function and bone health. Incorporating a handful of nuts or seeds into your daily diet can provide heart protective and anti-inflammatory benefits, making them ideal for healthy aging. 5. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, oats, brown rice, and barley are nutrient-dense and provide a wealth of health benefits for people over 50. Whole grains retain all parts of the grain kernel, including the bran, germ, and endosperm, which makes them high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals like iron and magnesium. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains are crucial for digestive health, helping to prevent constipation, a common issue among older adults. Additionally, the soluble fiber in whole grains can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Oats, for instance, are high in beta-glucan, a type of fiber that has been shown to lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Replacing refined grains with whole grains in your meals can promote heart health and overall well-being. 6. Yogurt and other fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for digestion, immune function, and even mental health. After 50, maintaining good gut health becomes increasingly important as the digestive system may become less efficient. Yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, is also an excellent source of calcium and protein, both of which are important for bone health and muscle maintenance. Calcium becomes especially critical after menopause for women, as the risk of osteoporosis increases. Including yogurt or other fermented foods in your diet can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria and support bone health as you age. 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense food that provides a rich source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for eye health, immune function, and skin health. As we age, our risk of vision problems like cataracts and macular degeneration increases, making foods rich in beta-carotene particularly important. Sweet potatoes also offer a healthy dose of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady release of energy, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Their anti-inflammatory properties can also help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Enjoy sweet potatoes roasted, mashed, or baked as part of a balanced meal to support overall health. 8. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, and magnesium. They are particularly beneficial for heart health, as they can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the fiber in beans and lentils promotes digestive health and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. For older adults, maintaining muscle mass and preventing muscle loss, sarcopenia, is critical, and protein-rich foods like beans and lentils can help. They also provide a low-fat, nutrient-dense alternative to meat, which may be beneficial for those looking to reduce their intake of saturated fats. Incorporating beans and lentils into soups, salads, and stews can offer significant health benefits as you age. 9. Avocados. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also a rich source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a key concern for older adults. In addition to their cardiovascular benefits, avocados are high in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps prevent constipation. They also contain antioxidants like lutein, which is important for maintaining eye health. Including avocados in your diet, whether in salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, can provide a creamy, nutrient-dense boost to your meals. 10. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages you can consume, especially as you age. It is rich in polyphenol, particularly catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect against cell damage. Green tea has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Green tea also contains compounds that can improve brain function and memory, making it an excellent choice for maintaining cognitive health as you age. Additionally, green tea has thermogenic properties, which can help with weight management and fat loss. Sipping on green tea regularly can provide a range of health benefits that support longevity and vitality.